What is the chemical symbol for the element oxygen? Answer: O. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer: Mars. What is the largest organ in the human body? Answer: Skin. What causes tides in the oceans? Answer: Gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Answer: Diamond. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Answer: Mitochondria. Who developed the theory of relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. What is the Earth's primary source of energy? Answer: the sun. What is the chemical formula for water? Answer: H2O. What causes a rainbow to form? Answer: refraction, dispersion, and reflection of light in water droplets. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer: stapes in the ear. What is the study of fossils called? Answer: paleontology. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the atomic number of carbon? Answer: 6. What is the process by which plants make their own food called? Answer: photosynthesis. Who discovered penicillin? Answer: Alexander Fleming. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Answer: O. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? Answer: 32 degree Fahrenheit. What is the largest species of terrestrial mammal? Answer: African elephant. What is the densest planet in our solar system? Answer: Earth. Who proposed the laws of motion? Answer: Sir Isaac Newton. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? Answer: approximately 299,792 kilometers. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Answer: Fe. What is the only planet known to support life? Answer: Earth. What is the largest species of fish? Answer: whale shark. What is the chemical formula for table salt? Answer: NaCl, sodium chloride. Who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Answer: Charles Darwin. What is the study of earthquakes called? Answer: seismology. What is the largest moon in our solar system? Answer: Ganymede, moon of Jupiter. What is the Earth's primary source of light? Answer: the sun. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Answer: Ag. What is the mere gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer: nitrogen N2. What is the unit of measurement for electric current? Answer: ampere A. Who proposed the theory of general relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. What is the study of the universe called? Answer: cosmology. What is the process of a liquid turning into a gas called? Answer: evaporation. Who discovered the law of gravity? Answer: Sir Isaac Newton. What is the chemical symbol for helium? Answer: He. What is the largest desert in the world? Answer: Antarctica, Antarctic Desert. What is the largest organ inside the human body? Answer: liver. What is the fur of pure water? Answer: 7th neutral. Who discovered the first antibiotic? Answer: Alexander Fleming, penicillin. What is the study of sound called? Answer: acoustics. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves called? Answer: transpiration. Who proposed the 3 laws of planetary motion? Answer: Johannes Kepler. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Answer: Na. What gas do humans exhale with each breath? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the study of heredity called? Answer: genetics. What is the process by which rocks are broken down into smaller pieces called? Answer: weathering.